Hello YouTube, it's me, Jonah, and welcome to today's DIY. So my wife says our downstairs sink is leaking again, and of course, she was right. There's a drip leak between the shutoff valve and the connecting hose, right about here. Only on the hot water shutoff valve. So a few weeks ago, I replaced this new shutoff valve, so I think I'm gonna have to replace this hose right here. And this supply line is over 20 years old. And if you're new to my channel and you found my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. So, I've already closed my shutoff valve. Now I'll proceed to undo my supply line.
Okay, here, this goes all the way on top, right there. So over here, I'm gonna have to also undo that.
So have your bucket ready to catch any excess water. And the first thing I do is undo the supply line from the shutoff valve using a 16mm wrench. Just to let you know, my shutoff valve is brand new and it is a SharkBite fitting. Then removing the Teflon tape. So just above, under the sink faucet, is my hot water supply line. I use the same wrench to undo the nut. So let's take a look at this old supply line. Very interesting. I thought Goodyear only makes tires. And so I find out this is actually a dishwasher supply line. I was kind of surprised because when I had this house built, I paid extra for the builder's plumber to do my connections for me. So comment below if you're a professional plumber. Do you think this is common procedure? Or do you think he was lazy and had extra dishwasher connections in his truck and just put this on? Anyways, this is a 48-inch 3/8 by 3/8 outside diameters connections and female connections on both sides. So I went to our local hardware store and picked up a supply hose for $15.49 plus tax. So let's take a look at our new water supply line. I won't be needing this. And I won't be needing this either. And I try to straighten out the hose as best I can and proceed to make the connections. I'll do the sink faucet first. Hand start it so I don't cross thread. And tighten it up with my wrench. Then I'll connect the other end to my shutoff valve. No need for Teflon tape since this is a brand new hose. Hand starting first as not to cross thread. I adjust my SharkBite shutoff valve for better angle. Great advantage when using SharkBite fittings. Then tightening it up with a 16mm wrench. Then I'll open up my shutoff valve and check for any leaks. Looks great, dry as a bone. Now I'll adjust it again for the best angle for the supply line. Then I'll check the other end to see if there's any leaks. Oh yeah, baby, dry as a bone. Now let's turn the water on. Nice. Hot water is working great. So if you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.